everyone, Nicole right here with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine, and today I get to play with Brother's brand new ScanNCut DX. So let's have a little bit of fun. So the first thing you're going to want to do is load your mat. And then you're just going to want to select your pattern. So I think we'll do a sentiment. And I'm going to select anniversary. And here you can select the size that you want. So I need something smaller. Now that I've selected my size, I can hit set. Then you go in and select what you want to do. You can cut, draw, emboss, foil. There's all sorts of selections that you can do. So I want to cut. In here with the little wrench, you can make a slight adjustments. You can leave it to auto. And because my sentiment is a little bit scrolly scripty, I want to slow the speed down just so it doesn't pull away. So I'm pretty happy with that. Make sure that your piece of paper is nice and firmly pressed down onto the craft mat, and then you can select start. And then slowly peel it off. Now that my anniversary is cut out, I'm going to be inking it up using Brea Reese watercolor ink, and these are really vibrant, intense colors. So for this one, I'm going to be using ultramarine and lake blue. So all you have to do is add a very small drop onto your craft mat. Now that the bottom half is already inked up in the ultra blue, we can then move ahead and go with the lake blue on top, which is a lighter shade of blue. And since we don't want to lose any of this color, you can just add a little bit more water, spray your cardstock, and just dab it. Alright, so you can see right here with just a little bit of the watercolor ink how many things that you can ink up and use up all of your product. Okay, so now I need to add the happy portion of my sentiment. And so what I do is I place the anniversary cut and my ribbon out so I get an idea of where to place my happy. And because I'm new to brush lettering, I'm going to cheat with my ruler and pencil. And I'm going to use the Brea Reese fine brush tip. Dip it in and start to write your happy. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Creative Scrapbooker Magazine on YouTube. Here you'll see lots of projects, tips, and tricks from the whole team. Again, this is Nicole Wright, and have a crafty day.